Thanks to the ever-reliable digital chat station, we now have a treasure trove of details about this highly anticipated device. From cutting-edge design to industry-leading features, this phone might just be Xiaomi's next big hit. So, if you're as excited as we are, stick around, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro. Let's kick things off with what powers this beast. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, SM8735. Qualcomm has outdone itself with this iteration of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, promising exceptional performance and energy efficiency. This chipset is tailor-made for gamers, creators, and power users. Whether you're into multitasking, mobile gaming, or heavy-duty apps, the Civi 5 Pro will handle it all effortlessly. Expect blazing fast app launches, smooth gameplay, and an overall seamless experience. And here's the exciting part. Early benchmarks hint at this chipset outclassing many competitors in terms of both CPU and GPU performance. This makes the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro not just a pretty face, but also a powerhouse under the hood. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro is its 1.5K resolution display. But this isn't just any display. It boasts a quad-curve design that's sleek, immersive, and visually stunning. Imagine edge-to-edge viewing with almost no bezels. Add to that the centered dual-hole punch cutout, which houses not one but two front-facing cameras. This design is strikingly similar to Apple's Dynamic Island, giving the phone a modern and futuristic look. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through social media, or gaming, the display's sharpness and vibrant colors will take your experience to the next level. It's not just a screen, it's a spectacle. Moving on to security, Xiaomi is pulling out all the stops with an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. This is the same advanced tech we've seen on the Redmi K80. Unlike traditional optical sensors, the ultrasonic variant offers faster, more accurate recognition, even if your finger is wet or dirty. This means you get both convenience and enhanced security. It's subtle, futuristic, and perfectly in line with the premium feel of the Civi 5 Pro. Cameras have always been a strong suit for Xiaomi's Civi series, and the Civi 5 Pro is no exception. On the back, it features a circular camera module with a telephoto lens and continues the collaboration with Leica engineered cameras, just like its predecessor, the Civi 4 Pro. What can you expect? Enhanced color accuracy, superior low-light performance, and the kind of versatility that makes it ideal for both amateurs and photography enthusiasts. From stunning portraits to ultra-wide landscapes, this setup has you covered. Selfie lovers, rejoice! The dual front-facing cameras are expected to deliver unparalleled selfie quality, making it a dream for content creators and vloggers. Design-wise, Xiaomi is taking it up a notch with a fiberglass back panel. This material is not only lightweight, but also durable, ensuring the phone feels premium in your hand while remaining practical for daily use. The slim design is another highlight, keeping it both stylish and portable. Fiberglass also allows for a unique texture and finish, setting the Civi 5 Pro apart from competitors that stick to glass or plastic. It's all about standing out, and Xiaomi seems to have nailed it here. What's the point of having amazing features if your phone can't last all day? Thankfully, the Civi 5 Pro comes equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery. This ensures you can go through your day, whether it's work, play, or binge watching, without worrying about running out of juice. While details on charging speeds aren't confirmed, Xiaomi is known for its fast charging tech, so you can expect top-notch charging support, likely in the range of 100 watts or more. Of course, hardware is only half the story. The Civi 5 Pro will run on Xiaomi's latest MIUI, likely based on Android 14. MIUI is known for its customization options, smooth animations, and smart features. From advanced privacy tools to multitasking capabilities, it's designed to make the most out of the hardware. Expect features like AI-driven optimizations, enhanced gaming modes, and deeper integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem of smart devices. So who is this phone really for? Well, it's a perfect fit for those who want a premium design, cutting-edge performance, and camera capabilities without paying flagship prices. Gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts will find plenty to love here. Additionally, its sleek and slim design makes it ideal for those who prioritize aesthetics and portability. Whether you're attending meetings or heading to a party, the Civi 5 Pro is bound to turn heads. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones of the year. With its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, quad-curved display, Leica-engineered cameras, and 5,000 mAh battery, it ticks all the boxes for a modern smartphone. Add to that its premium materials and slim design, and it's clear that Xiaomi is aiming to redefine what a mid-range phone can offer. As always, take these leaks with a grain of salt. But if even half of this is true, the Civi 5 Pro is set to be a game changer. What do you think about these leaks? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.